Yes, we did.
All right. Are you the same David Michael Garcia who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 2712B for the offense of theft of aluminum, brass, copper, bronze on August 9th, 2022 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, I am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number 4 under County Texas, the defendant David Michael Garcia, the defendant mayor failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
I didn't realize I was violating things. I've been hit in the head one too many times, and I by long time.
All right, so let me stop you for a moment.
It,
Mr. Garcia, let me stop you for a moment. So the question is whether you reported it or not, and that's either true or not true. And then if you have an explanation for the reason why you didn't report, that comes at a different part of the hearing. So the question is, did you hear what the prosecutor just read?
He said I did a report.
All right, so did you report yes or no?
No.
So is that true or not true?
That's true.
All right, state.
We'll waive the remaining violated condition.
No objection.
All right. Mr. Garcia, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, I did.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there is not.
All right, state, what are you asking for?
State is asking for adjudication or revocation, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're not opposed to revocation. I believe he's got 327 days in, or 324. I've actually forgotten the exact number.
Okay.
Sorry about that. He has mental health issues, even though he's competent. He's had some head injuries along the way. And when he got out of jail and was given the paperwork, he lost the paperwork and couldn't keep up with the paperwork, and that's why he failed to report. I believe that the probation department was recommending that he be continued on probation. That would be our second request if you did not give him a judgment satisfied on this offense. I don't believe that it was a significant amount of money that was involved with the aluminum. It was, he told me that it was a refrigerator that was on a lot that they took some.
All right, so these are the questions I have. It says that he didn't report for November and December of 2023. He's been on probation since August of 2022. So I'm assuming, and if my assumptions are incorrect, let me know. I'm assuming at some point in time he reported. Otherwise, that would not be on.
I believe he was reporting, and he was also going to outpatient treatment. And he was doing this even though he was homeless most of that time. And the actual number of days he has in is 353.
What it is, Your Honor, is the only reason why they did get these is I wasn't doing nothing.
All right, so here's the thing, Mr. Garcia, I am sorry to interrupt you, but let me stop you there. Here's the thing. If you want to tell me what was going on in your life, then I'm going to swear you in and the state will have a chance to cross-examine you. So do you want to tell me something?
Yes, I wasn't.
All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, please.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
David Michael Garcia.
All right, defense, do you have questions?
So why were you not able to report during that time after you were released from jail this last time?
Because they shipped my paperwork ahead of me to this place I was going, but they never came and got me. So I didn't know where to go. San Pedro, all I knew was somewhere on San Pedro, and that's a long street. And I don't, I didn't know where to go.
I've
And then, they had my paperwork, so I couldn't go see the probation when I didn't know any time, any days, or any of that. And, I do got a place to go, and I will be off the street. And you ever heard of, Outcry Barrio? Yeah,
Yes.
I have no further questions.
All right. State, any questions?
No question.
All right. Defense, you're asking for revocation. State, you're asking for revocation. All right. And are you in agreement with the request for revocation, sir?
If the state asks for 2 years, he probably is not in agreement.
I'm not in agreement with the 2 years. I do got a place to, that when I went to church, they have a Outcry Barrio here.
Yes, I've heard of that. So just one moment, sir. Just 1 second. Probation, what are you all requesting?
Judge. Revocation. Or if the court does not decide on revocation, TAP evaluation to be completed in custody, along with intensive outpatient treatment and Center for Healthcare Services referral. He was rejected from drug court and he was not eligible for DDRF. He was released outright to proceed with intensive outpatient treatment. However, he absconded.
Okay.
I have one other thing, Your Honor. The prisons are not air conditioned in Texas. His health is not good.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty. And the court is going to grant the motion for revocation. The next point is for us to discuss time. State, how much time are you asking for?
None of the fact that restitution is still owed in the amount of $3,000. Your Honor, the state is requesting 2 years in the state jail facility.
Defense.
And Your Honor, I don't know exactly what the restitution was. However, there were 2 individuals in this situation. And so it should be joint and several so far as the payment is concerned. And there have been prisoners dying in the Texas prisons because of the heat. And I don't think he's done anything so bad that that's what the judgment should be.
All right. Probation, has he paid any of the restitution? It's $3,000 to Family Dollar. All right, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will grant the motion. The court is going to order restitution of $3,000 to Family Dollar. The court will sentence you to 20 months in the state jail facility and give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Oh, State, you may continue to confer. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.